Chapter 1: Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. A. Kinship. The significance of the patrilineal structure. The entire life of the Batak is governed by the patrilineal structure of his society. It is far from being limited to the sphere of the law of inheritance, government and land tenure, marriage and spirit worship, the administration of justice, dwelling place and cultivating the land are all directly connected with the genealogical relationships. Even the Christian church is affected. Of old, the cycle of elders was defined as Sisada si Panganon, eating together as one, Sisada si Namon, one in prosperity, Sisada Hasangapon, one in prestige, Sisada Hailaun, one in humiliation. That are drawn from spirit worship and sacrificial ceremonies, who suggest that the bonds of the patrilineal system will loosen with the gradual disappearance of paganism. However, the direct connection between genealogical grouping and geographical distribution has allowed the patrilineal structure to penetrate deeply into all spheres of life, and it is therefore to be expected that the forms that this society has developed will be preserved for a long time to come. There are various reasons for this: the ground on which a village stands, the walls surrounding it, the trees on its land are the exclusive domain and property of the patrilineal descendants of the founder, and this will continue to be so as long as there is a public authority strong enough to prevent wars between village and village, territory and territory. A cluster of villages around a model village is inhabited by a lineage that in former times kept to itself for reasons of solidarity and safety, and now is still a small territory with its own identity. The groups of these territories which occupy the marga and tribal ceremony together form a larger genealogical unit which has its own area, in which no other marga are permitted to establish a village, and its forests, waters, and other cultivated ground only at the free disposal of members of these groups. They alone have the prerogative of ruling over others in these territories. It is factors like these that from olden times have cultivated in all patrilineal divisions, large and small, a strong sense of belonging together, a strong feeling of solidarity in marga and tribal group with, at the same time, a keen awareness of the separation of interests according to genealogical lines and a strong instinct of self-preservation. Exogamous marriage form leaves intact the patrilineality distinct groups with their internal relations on the one hand, while on the other, as soon as an original relationship is commenced, it creates a kind of link that so differs from that among the unnecessary delineates the latter the more clearly. Moreover, the history of a man's lineage, the renown of great ancestors, the wealth that one group possesses above that of another, the offices and the influence deriving from them all bear on the durability of the structural forms within which a man lives. Not the least factor in this respect is the festival which, by the procedure, repeatedly motivate the tracing of the genealogical relationships and stimulate their preservation. That this sense of solidarity is capable of finding new outlets is proved by the steady found movement of recent times which, like the century of former times, brings together those descending from one ancestor, not as formally of his ritual veneration, but to promote their own welfare and glory.